Hey everyone, I'm doing a webinar about foreclosures, short sales, and bank-owned properties. And right now there are currently 23 million delinquent mortgages. FHA has 15%. It's almost 1 out of 6 mortgages that's in default. And right now the mortgage moratorium has basically allowed people not to pay and stay in their homes. But this is going to expire, and it's probably going to expire either March or September, according to what's out in the news right now. And when it does, a lot of these homeowners are going to be served a list pendants or notice of default, depending on which state they're in, and then that is going to turn into a foreclosure. Some of these people are going to be listing their homes on Zillow for sale. Some of them are going to be trying to negotiate short sales, but some of them are going to lose their homes, and that's going to go to the foreclosure auction, and ultimately many of those will go back to the bank and become REOs. And right now in 2021, I predict this is going to happen towards the latter part of this year, and now is a very, very good time for you to be learning how to invest in foreclosures, short sales, and bank-owned properties. So I've got a wholesaling boot camp coming up where I teach you guys how to basically find these houses, how to market to these homeowners, and how to get these houses under contract, as well as teaching you all of the bank-owned property websites that are out there, how to bid on them, how to register on them, and the do's and don'ts of how to flip these properties. They can be flipped. You can wholesale bank-owned properties. In fact, I wrote the book on wholesaling bank-owned properties called Wholesaling Bank-Owned Properties. And I wrote that right at the middle of the prior financial crisis. So I've got quite a lot of experience in investing in foreclosures and short sales and bank-owned properties, and this is going to be an opportunity you do not want to miss out. So what I want you to do is go ahead and register right now below for a webinar where I'm going to show you how you can make a ton of money from this foreclosure crisis.